Hello little ones, come close for a spooky tale. Bluey hopped across the quiet backyard alone. The night sky shimmered with silver stars, a cool breeze tickled his floppy ears. Rustling leaves echoed near the fence. Bluey paused, heart thumping fast inside. From the shadows crept a strange cat, its eyes glowed brightly like twin lanterns. Bluey whispered, "Who are you, mysterious stranger?" The cat hissed gently, tail curling tightly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. Bluey stepped backward, paws trembling slightly. The cat prowled forward with silent grace. Suddenly it leapt with lightning speed. Bluey yelped and dashed across the grass. "Catch me if you can!" Bluey cried. The cat chased swiftly, claws scraping ground. They zipped past flower beds and stones. Bluey zigzagged, heart racing with thrill. Bingo peeked from the window, gasping loudly, "Run, Bluey, the cat is near!" Bluey darted under the garden swing. The cat pounced, missing by inches. "Too slow," Bluey shouted with laughter. The cat hissed again, still persistent. Neighbors leaned out from porches curiously, their eyes widened at the wild chase. Snickers barked from behind the gate. "Bluey, come here, it looks scary." But Bluey laughed with playful bravery. He dashed around, teasing the strange cat. Through bushes, around trees, over stepping stones, the chase turned into a dizzy dance. Finally Bluey tripped near the pond. The cat stopped, staring with glowing eyes. Breathless, Bluey whispered, "What do you want?" The cat tilted its head curiously. "I wanted a friend to play," it said. Bluey blinked, surprise softening his fear. "You chased me like a monster," Bluey replied. The cat chuckled, "That's how I play." Bluey smiled slowly, tail wagging gently. "Then let's play together, but kindly." The cat purred, ears flicking happily, its glowing eyes softened with gentle warmth. Bingo ran out, clapping paws excitedly. "Bluey, you made a new friend." Snickers barked joyfully, wagging tail fast, the backyard filled with cheerful laughter. They decided to play tag together, this time with fair rules and fun. Bluey darted, shouting, "You can't catch me." The cat followed, but softly this time. Coco arrived with flowers in paws. She decorated the ground with colorful petals. Everyone played until stars shone brighter. The backyard sparkled with friendship magic. Bluey grinned. Who knew chases end happily? The cat meowed. Friends make nights brighter. As the moon rose high above, they curled together on soft grass. The strange cat purred like rolling thunder. Bluey sighed happily, tail wagging slow. "Tomorrow more games will wait," Bluey whispered. Everyone nodded, hearts glowing with peace. The chase ended not with fear, but with laughter and shining friendship. Come again soon for another Bluey Wonderland.